So, hello everyone, my name is Patel Purvang. So, today I have discussed about next carbon-carbon coupling reaction. So, today I have discussed Stille coupling reaction. Okay, so basically, what is Stille coupling reaction? Obviously, I have discussed about Stille before. You have checked for my another video like Sonogashira-Hack reaction, so Suzuki reaction. So they have similar for mechanism for Stille coupling reaction. Okay, so what is Stille? Like Rx, R is equal to R vinyl or halide, vinyl aryl halide only used bond between. They have used for steam. Okay, so can be right for mechanism and like basic reaction, and then after reaction practice, so you will easily understand for Stille coupling reaction. And what about your question for net get? Okay, so you can be most important for Stille coupling reaction, CSR net as well as get. Stille about question okay. Stille coupling reaction. Okay, what is basic? They have R dash X R is equal to aryl or vinyl. And another the same. This also aryl or vinyl. Okay, and these are, that is very important, chemistry or butyl. Okay, so what will you do? They have used palladium catalyst. Okay, this is product. So this is basic mechanism for Stille coupling reaction. Okay, and mechanism I have so okay, that is different for Stille coupling. What is different? So I can show like palladium L2O6. They have oxidative addition. So what will you do? They have used for any compound of compound. I can use this. This is like vinyl X R2. Okay, oxidative addition. Oxidative addition reaction. Okay, so what can I do? Product R1 R2 PDL2 X oxidate plus oxidation state. Okay, so next is transmetallation. Okay, transmetallation state. Sn MHN. So what will you do? Can be used. Okay, so what will you do? So this change can be changed. So what is product? R1, R2, PDL2 and then reductive elimination. Reductive elimination. What will you do? I can erase for this part. Okay. Stop the video and write this part. So what will you do from R1, R2, that is product. They have new bond formation. Okay, so this is Stille coupling reaction mechanism. Okay, they have transmetallation step. Okay, X SN MEG. Okay, transmetallation step. They have slow step. They have hydrogen beta hydride elimination. This is not here for beta hydride elimination. Why? Because reductive elimination rate will be high from beta hydride elimination. Okay, so that can be not used for beta hydride elimination. Only direct step for reductive elimination. Okay, so they have Stille coupling reaction. Okay, so next is our question practice. Okay, first is easy and another advanced level. Okay, so stop the video and screenshot and write this mechanism. Okay, I hear this. First question. Reagent, solvent, heat. Second question. OTF. Question number 3. Third question. enzyme SNME3. Fourth question. C3 OTF CS3. PHF and yes. Okay, so stop the video and you can write product. Okay, and then after cross check. Okay, so what will you do for first question? So 10 will be here Ma3. Okay, so this carbon and this carbon will be between bond and product will be formed. They have simple reaction, very easy question. They have 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is first question answer. What will you do? This and this carbon will be bond. Second product, same for third question. We will check. They have CSR net question. Okay. So what is what will you do? They have main product. They have twist. What about twist? So they have used for carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide use. So it can be insertion of CO bond. Insertion of CO bond. So they have bond, new bond formation, and it can be new bond formation. Okay. So they have tricky question for CSR net. Okay, and another one question will be advanced. So you, that is important question. Okay, so you can practice it. And they have same solvent reagent. Okay, for 3 questions. This is very easy. Okay, so they have most important for most question. Okay, stop the video and take the screenshot. I can erase. Okay, so today lecture last question we will discuss. I2 pyridine. PD PP4 SN MA3. Third is NaBH4 CCl3 -2. This is also for CSR net question. Okay, so what will you do for this product? Okay, so step by step I have go. What is first? I2 and pre-dim. First is I2. So what will you do I2? So you have like study for epoxidation. Okay, so they have oxidation for 3 membering, that is very stable. So they have I2 same. So they have 3 membering, generate I positive. Okay, I2. So they have hydrogen. So what will you do? This. Oh, minus double bond as it is. Okay, so what is return this bond is there breakage. Okay, okay, so next is okay, put in read in. So they have formed, this is first reason work will be done. Second is next. So what is that is Stille reaction, it can be used. So this carbon and this carbon will be formed, and another part as it is. Okay, so second reaction it will be done. They can simple for this first 3 question will be same. So what will you do third? Okay, so they have Lucci reaction for reagent. This reagent is Lucci reaction. Okay, so I have not studied for like tomorrow या फिर short video from Lucci reaction. Okay, so they have Lucci reaction. So what will you do? So carbon in is reduce CO2 OH. Okay, so it can be work for reduction. Okay, so what will you product? Okay, so they have 6 membering. Okay, so this is main product for this question. Okay, so they have very important question. They have also CSR net. Okay, so question practice will be continue, and another question you asked, and this organic book like Carothor or Claydon also used for very much. Okay, so any problem, any query you can ask comment section. Okay, so thank you guys, see you tomorrow. Radhe Radhe.